Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect JotForm with Zoom so people can book appointments through your form and automatically create Zoom meetings. Let's get started. I'm currently inside my JotForm dashboard. First I'm going to create a new form from scratch. For this example, I will add a full name field, a email field, an appointment field and a long text field. Now long text field will be used for an additional information the user wants to provide. Now let's configure the appointment field. Click the appointment field. On the right side, you will see a gear icon. Click the gear icon to open the appointment field settings. This will take you to the configuration page for the appointment field. Let's start with the availability tab. Here you can control when people are allowed to book appointments. You will find the appointment slot duration settings. This controls how long each meeting will be. For examples, you can choose 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes or 60 minutes. For example, I will choose 30 minutes. Next, you can configure your working hours. For example, you can allow bookings from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also choose which days people are allowed to schedule appointments. If your schedule is different on certain days, you can create separate intervals for those specific days. You will also find the lunch break option. If you don't want people booking meetings during lunch hours, simply enable it and select the time range. Now let's move to that limits tab. Here you can choose when booking should start and when they should stop. You can add holidays and vacation dates so people cannot book appointments when you are unavailable. Another useful setting is maximum appointments per day. This allows you to limit how many meetings can be booked each day. You will also find minimum schedule notice. This prevents people from booking appointments at the last minutes. Next, you can explore the advanced options section. Here you will find settings for one-to-one meeting, group appointments, reminder emails, and other scheduling options. Once you are happy with the appointment settings, let's rename our long text field. I am going to call it additional details. This allows users to provide extra information before the meeting. Now let's connect the form to Zoom. Go to settings, click integration, search for Zoom, open the Zoom integration. You will see several options available. For this tutorial, I am selecting create meeting. Click next. Now connect your Zoom account and authorize access. Once the connection is complete, we need to configure the Zoom meeting settings. First, let's create a meeting title. Now I am going to use the form title and the person's name. This makes it easier to identify meetings inside Zoom. You can also add additional form fields to the title if needed. Next, match the appointment field to the Zoom meeting start time. For the meeting duration, I will select 30 minutes so it matches the appointment setting we configured earlier. Now choose your preferred time zone. For the meeting description, I am going to include additional detail field from the form. This way, any information submitted by the user will be automatically appears inside the Zoom meeting details. Once everything looks good, click Save. Perfect. The integration is now active. Let's test it. Open the form preview, enter a sample name and email address, choose an available appointment slot, add some information in the additional details field, then submit the form. Now let's switch over to Zoom, refresh the meeting page. As you can see, the Zoom meeting has been created automatically. The meeting title includes the form information, the meeting date and time matches the appointment selected in the form, and the additional details have been transferred into the meeting description. And that's it. You can have fully automated system where users can schedule appointments through your JotForm and Zoom meetings are created automatically. If you like to try JotForm yourself, you will find my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.